Market, happy 100.
No, I don't even come again. This boy himself, he don't know good. You know they like.
No, now it's more than tell. Oh, now he good, of course.
See why I don't know?
No, he put you now. He go say that mama market that you don't wait till they do. No, open, remove the back. I want to see the inside. There is no problem.
Wait, what will you put? I've bought this type of thing before. I didn't like the soup.
Hey, if without it you can't cook oha soup now. This is my best. Like I put it in most things I cook. You don't have abacha, ba? Abacha. You want abacha? Let me see.
Wait, remove your head. Let me smell it.
No. No need. Bring another one.
Why are people covering it like this?
Because of fly.
No.
Let's say this is the thing used
to carry fly.
Since you don't like it, you take one.
I won't even
okay,
buy.
You won't put.
Did I use it? My husband was complaining.
They don't use it.
Me, I never used them before, so I now use. You want to say I saw online they used to use. Yeah, it's Igbo. But him too, they did not use it.
No, yeah. It's because of where he's not from. He's from Abia.
Okay. He didn't like it. Yeah, they eat them.
Give me yellow pepper.
No, we would they eat them, but me, where I from, they chop them.
Like it can be families.
Yes, yeah. So guys, I've had this pepper for a while, not so much a while. Like I bought it on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, and we didn't have light for it. It's so hot, and we didn't have light for a long time. And see pepper. So I just want to blend everything. I don't even want to hear. I don't want to hear say. So I just want to blend everything. The worst thing now is I have a wound on this. This finger. This morning when I was cutting yam, it sliced my hand. Small wound. It didn't even bring out blood, but it's very painful. You know those wicked wounds that used to pinch. This is it. So somehow I have to just make sure this thing is washed, like before it will just spoil. I just have to make sure of that. Why?
I don't like it.
You don't like soup. So what do you want?
I want Indomie.
But you can't be eating Indomie every day. That's not nice. It will make you strong. You know, you need strong bones. You don't need strong bones. How will you be strong? You'll not be able to lift up the chairs, and you won't be grow to be a giant. Is that what you want? And you want to be small like a rat? Yeah, if you know you want to be big and you want to be growing big and big, you have to take soup with lots of vegetables. You like soup in any way? Oh man, Gina. So what do you want me to do?
I want to mix something like.
Okay, let's have a deal. Can we make a deal? If you eat soup now, in the night you eat indomie and sausage. Deal? Deal? Deal. You're so shaky and wobbly. Are you wobbly? You seem so tired. You look so tired. Are you tired? You're really tired. You want to sleep. But if you sleep, will you sleep in the night? When everybody's sleeping, you'll be looking at everybody. The things will be looking at you in the night. You want that? So you don't sleep so that in the night you sleep, okay? Alright?
My eyes are sleepy.
Your eyes are sleepy. Can you just hold on? Can you tell your eyes to hold on? That you sleep at night, because it's not really night. I know there is no light, right? I'm so sorry, Gina. Did you have fun in school today? What did you do?
I did everything.
You did everything? Like what?
I played outside, doing swings.
You did swings. I know you were just climbing on these swings and you didn't let anybody else climb. And that's not nice. Did you play with Shego? Why?
What's a big boy? Big boy.
Shego is a big boy.
And he wears taekwondo every time.
He wears taekwondo uniform every time. Oh, you do ballet now. So as he's doing taekwondo, you'll be doing your ballet.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Well, my mom tired of ballet. Can you give me a taekwondo clothes?
Gina, really? You can't be tired of ballet. It's not possible. Because you were in music, you told me you didn't want music anymore. You want to do ballet, and you were crying. So you're not going anywhere. Instead, you won't be in anyone. Since you don't, I think you don't want to do anyone. How can you tell me you want to do taekwondo now? Like I just paid for ballet. Gina. That's not nice. I'm really unhappy. I'm disappointed too. Because you're just not being straightforward, and it's not good to just be anyhow. That's not nice. And I hope you feel sorry for yourself too.
I'm very sorry.
You're very sorry. Okay, I forgive you. Alright? Just learn your ballet and make sure you do it well. Do a great job, okay? Yes. Checking. My friend is on her way too.
You want that book for 9:30?
Us? What did happen?
No, he was trying to before you called. That's why I was like, what is doing?
Okay.
But I saw some people wearing swimming trunks there on their page. They swim here.
I don't know, maybe.
I saw they were like the DAAM swimming. I'm like, they have. Oh my God.
Thank God for once in my life I'm with a dark person like me, at least to an extent. Even though I'm darker than you. I'm always in the midst of light ladies.
Okay. Yellow ladies. Okay, right here.
This is not Snapchat though. This is normal video.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Shebi is not Snapchat.
No.
I like this car. What kind of car? What will you call? Yeah, it's cool. I like maize.
Even
God knows I'll have it. Like I love me. God please bless me. I said I can't wait. I'll say Benz. Like these Benz. I've always wanted a Benz.
What the next person is the cutie. She's on his head. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 people alive. We still have 2 Ojijus alive. If you don't kill one Ojiju now, look at you. There are 5 of you, and there are 2 of you in that room. If you don't kill one of you now,
Are you excited?
Yep. Really? Yes.
Okay.
I love it. I love it. Let's take a video of it. Let's take it to the salon and wait.
You want to wear it to the salon? Oh, okay, that's what we're going to do, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to wear it to the salon today.
Now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Mom. You're the best mom. I love my dress. It's beautiful.
love it.
I love it.
Fuel for one of the most spectacular food chains on the earth.
You say, look at those fish. Can I drink?
Rich water draws in millions of sardines.
I know. I'm not a turtle.
Nearly all of this food will die.
You know, you can't be shaky, though. All right? You look so good, right?